Filter feature your tool to scan the entire market right at your fingertips. It's super easy to use. Just click the filter button on the left-hand side. Then you will find stocks both NASDAQ and New York markets show up on the right, along with different data columns you can explore. If you want to customize what you see, open the Choose Columns menu. Here, you can add or remove any columns you care about. For me, I like to include the market name, industry group, quality score, timing score, price-to-earnings ratio, debt-to-equity, and dividend yield. And if you want to go more advanced, you can add the average earnings per share growth over the past 3 years. Or even check how much profit the stock would have generated if you had held it for the last 3 years. Once you've set your filters, your screen will look like this. And of course, you can keep adding more conditions. Here's an example I'm filtering US stocks with: a quality score above 80, a timing score above 90, and a dividend yield above 7%. You can see that only for stocks in the entire US market meet all 3 conditions. These are the ones with great dividends, high quality, and strong timing scores, making them really interesting picks right now. If I want to rank them by quality, I just click the quality score column, and the stock with the highest score jumps to the top. Let's filter the whole market as you wish.